To start my journey, I'm going to get eye to eye with the king of dogs. The biggest and most feared canine on the planet. The wolf. Okay, so they might not be adult wolves, but these little pups show the traits shared by all canines, including our pet dogs. Wolves share 98.8% of their DNA with domestic dogs, and the similarities are immediately obvious. These hand-raised pups are 2 months old. In the wild, they'd just be emerging from their den. And their dark fur would offer fantastic camouflage.
But as they get older, they'll eventually lose their puppy fluff. It'll be replaced by their adult fur, which has 2 layers to it. Oh, thanks. A soft, downy underfur, and then a second outer layer, which is made of thick guard hairs. But for now, they've still got this really soft puppy fur.
Even at this young age, they have a natural drive to chase almost everything they see. This stalking and chasing behavior is seen in all members of the family. It's known as the canine prey drive instinct. These wolf pups are highly social. As they play, they're working out their hierarchy and who's boss. Most canines are team players. And to cope with the complexities of group living, they evolved bigger brains. Which is why dogs are more intelligent than some solitary animals like cats.
These pups might only be 2 months old, but it's clear that they have all the tools they'll need to become expert predators